Before these strange times, I had been a weekly meal prepper, a regular gym goer, and a tube meditator. Yes, that means meditating on the tube. I would say I had a pretty good routine, but before I knew it, my routine was gone. Now, how you start your day is just as important as how you end it. The rituals you have at the start help you get organized and amped up for work. The rituals you have at the end help you with winding down and creating the needed separation between work and your home. It was important to me to keep up the good things I had previously, but create new habits to keep me energized and focused when working from home. So, what did I do? I would start my day with journaling, and when I wasn't feeling lazy, doing some light stretches. Getting dressed and actually looking like I was going to leave the home helped. Drinking a smoothie for breakfast, just like I did when I was in the office, gave me a sense of normality. I'd have an informal coffee catch-up with my team on Zoom, and then crack on with work. As my job requires me to be both analytical and creative, having time where I wasn't distracted was crucial. So I blocked out my calendar for specific tasks to keep me on track. I made sure I had specific days for meetings where I could, so I could keep distractions to a minimum. I am so grateful that my manager, colleagues, and I all have mutual respect for each other's calendars, so I never felt like my day was ever being hijacked. Making sure I had regular screen breaks was important because it's so easy to get absorbed into what you're doing that you can often forget to rest your eyes, move regularly, or sometimes even eat. You would naturally take screen breaks in the office to go to a meeting or to talk to someone, so why not when working from home? During those really short breaks, I would get some movement in by doing a few push-ups or squats, or even some simple chores around the house. During the longer breaks, I would have lunch with my husband or go for a walk. At the end of the workday, I would pack away my gear, turn off any overhead lights, and switch to lamps. I would do a workout, cook dinner, and carry on with my evening. With the lines so blurred between home and work, I found that these things helped me look after my mental and emotional well-being. But just when I thought I had a pretty good work from home routine, I was put on furlough. I tried to keep myself going by focusing on my personal learning and development. Because we use Perkbox at Perkbox, I got to use the learning portals available and get discounts on tools like The Blinkist, an app that gives you key insights from non-fiction titles so you can learn anywhere, anytime. I felt reassured that I could access our EAP and counseling service and apps like Aura just in case I needed it. It's really important that employers support habits like these and encourage employees to use whatever tools they have at their disposal. A happy, well-rested, and motivated employee will bring their A game to work, whether they're working from the office or from home. When things start opening back up again, I know that these routines will need to be flexible to cater to going back into the office from time to time. I'm glad that at Perkbox, we have a flexible working policy and hybrid working to help with our work-life balance.